Hello dear students and parents. Welcome to the new academic year 2021. I am Liji Niklesh and the new class teacher of class 9th A for the current academic year 2021. As we all know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself and we are facing lots of problem in our educational institutions and we are not able to continue our studies, but we have come up with a very golden opportunity, an option of online classes. So let's start our study with this online classes. And dear students and parents, I hope this online classes is a great opportunity for both as a teacher and as a students to interact with each other, and we will have a regular flow of study. We can have a focus on the syllabus, the contents, and also we are aiming to complete it on time. So I request you all to participate in these online classes actively. Also, I encourage parents to boost up our children to regularly watch the online classes, which will be uploaded regularly on our Campus Care app. So, the main aim of online classes is nothing but to have a regular flow of study. And in this way, we will have a connection with the students. Also, we will be able to know, how each student is responding. So, how we are going to start the online classes is, a video will be uploaded each day for different subjects, and you need to have Campus Care app downloaded in your mobile phone. Each video will be recorded and uploaded in our Campus Care app. So it's very necessary, parents, that you are having an access to the Campus Care app, right? So with the regular videos, at the end, that is weekend, we will have an assignment for each subject. Also, there will be a test on the given respective subjects. So, I request students to complete the assignments on the given allotted time, right? So that we will be able to have a formative assessment of how our children are performing. So, I hope students will actively participate in the online classes. And please watch the videos for different subjects again and again. Because the benefit of online classes is that you can watch it n number of times. The videos can be watched n number of times. And so what will happen? You will be having a clear concept on different topics, right? So please watch the videos again and again. If you have any queries, please come up with the queries. You can reply it on Campus Care app, right? And be very free to ask any doubts, right? And be regular in completing your assignments on time. That is the only message I need to give you. Okay, so I hope the new section will be very comfortable and it will be very interesting for you all. I would love you to see you all responding in your online classes very actively, right? And I hope we will be meeting very early in our class also, right? So I again repeat this very statement of watching online classes regularly. Yes, because it is just your class. Okay, we are not apart, right? But we are in our this is not just online classes. This is your way of regular class, right? So it is just a regular class for you. So please don't feel that I am at home, so I can just watch it later, or I can do it after my class has after my classes will be opened, right? No, this is your regular class, so you have to watch the videos of all the subjects regularly. Yes, assessment will be made for particular student, right? So it is an active participation, right? Yes, so this is not merely an online class, but it is an active participation of you all for different subjects, right? So I hope you to see you again in our class. So be safe, be healthy, be at home. So thank you so much, and we will be meeting again to our next video. So thank you and all the best.